Hi, I'm Mike Reiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan, and I'm here to talk to the business owners out there today. Bankruptcy can play a critical role in your business, whether you're a creditor for somebody or whether you find yourself in a debt situation that you need to address. Some of the kinds of debt situations that I've helped some of my clients through would include things like bad leases that they can't get out of, owning real estate that they're way underwater on, or having to refinance mortgages where they aren't able to have the banks work with them. If you find yourself in that type of a situation, please come see me. There are lots of things that we can do for business owners. For example, I've had cases where what we're able to do is where the business owner owned way more on the mortgage for their building than the building was worth. We've been able to reduce the value of that mortgage down to the value of the building, and we've been able to change the interest rate and change the terms of the mortgage. It's a very valuable opportunity, and really something that's only available to certain specific people in certain specific circumstances. And one of those circumstances would be business owners. So if you're a business owner and you find yourself in that situation, please come see me. Business owners could include landlords who own a lot of real estate. If you're in that type of a situation, you've got mortgages on the real estate and you want to figure out how you can reduce those mortgages down to a reasonable value and a reasonable payment, we can help you with that as well. Business owners, one thing that often happens is that they take on debt for their business, but because of the fact that the banks will insist that you'll have what's called a personal guarantee with those debts, they think that they can't get rid of the debts because it also will incur a debt onto them personally in addition to the debt that the business has. If you're concerned about that type of thing, then there might be something that we can do for you. For a number of our clients, we've been able to file both a personal bankruptcy and a business bankruptcy, in that case dealing with both kinds of debts. In other situations, we've been able to file just a personal bankruptcy, actually, to get rid of the debt, the personal liability, and sometimes even just start up a new business entity that's able to operate without the burden of those other debts. So if you're a business owner and you find yourself in a situation that debts are overwhelming you, please come see me. One more thing that I want to point out too is we have represented a number of creditors. That's another area where businesses can find themselves in need of representation. Let's just say, for example, that you have a customer who has borrowed money from you and you have a piece of collateral that they have in their possession. If they file bankruptcy, you cannot touch that collateral. You can't even send them a letter regarding that once they filed bankruptcy until you get permission from the bankruptcy court. If you're in a situation like that and you need help, please, again, come see me. Our phone number is 586-693-2000. Our website is financiallawgroup.com. We offer free evening and weekend consultations, and I'm happy to meet with you personally at any time.